Hey traders, what's going on? Jamie Setley here. It's August 18th, 2015. We're going to look at the British pound. Looked at the British pound in the last video last week, but looking at it again today as it's making an important move here on resistance from the line that extends out to 2014 and 2015 highs. 2015 high, of course, made earlier this year in June, June 18th, in fact. So what we've got going on, very broadly speaking, okay, going back to the January low, is we had what appeared to be a very large head and shoulders pattern, okay? Inverse head and shoulders pattern, upward sloping, extremely bullish if it played out. Did not get a very strong pullback. And since then, we've really tightened up. Okay, you could call this an ascending triangle. Practitioners of slope analysis, um, can kind of look at these patterns within the context of the slope, right? So we've got upward sloping, uh, British pound here over really the last most of the year. Okay, especially since the lows back here in April, and talked about this in the last video. But the bullish underpinnings from this slope do suggest an eventual upside resolution. Okay, what I mean by that is you got support here from the sliding parallel that was resistance here back in April. Okay, found very precise support in May, very precise support in June. Okay, now we were looking for support to buy on this line actually in July, and then again in August. Actually didn't get it. Okay, the July low came slightly above support. So that's a bullish event when the market cannot make it down to support, okay, and turns up ahead of support. That's bullish. And again, it turned up at the same line here just on August 7th. I guess that was the day after. That was NFPs, I do believe, actually. Yes, that was NFPs. And then the day before that, August 6th, was BOE. So now that that's kind of been washed out, right? Kind of have a fake out, maybe now is the real deal. Again, we are pressing this big line up here from the 2014, sorry, and 2015 highs. Above here, you could see some resistance up near 58, 70s, 80s. But ultimately, again, can't stress it enough, this slope, okay, and the action that we've seen with the raised floor does suggest eventual upside resolution, potential for a much larger bullish move. All right, so whether or not this is another fake out, I have no idea. I have no control over that. I do know that today's low is important from a trading standpoint, given the fact that we've got a big outside day. Actually, had an outside day yesterday, so you've got a double outside day. Okay, one bearish, one bullish. Today's bullish. Fed minutes tomorrow. Um, kind of see what happens. But for me, respecting the upside most certainly against today's low. Alrighty, so good luck. Take care.